Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kethel. Students, we will start chapter number 16, water. As we have already studied the importance of water in our previous class, that water is a precious resource. About 70% of the human body consists of water. And water is essential for our daily life in our drinking, bathing, washing, cooking, etc. And you know that the World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd of March. Water is a precious resource that is available on the earth. It is because of the water that the life is exist on earth. We do our many of the essential work with water. So water is essential for all living organisms. And it is available in all the three forms, that is solid, liquid and vapor. Water is the most vital natural resource. That the sources of water that are available on the earth are river, lakes, ponds, oceans, etc. Water is present in all the three forms, solid, liquid and gas. And about 97% of water is present on the earth in oceans and sea. You can see here the 97% of water is present in oceans and sea. This water is very salty. We can call it saline water. And we cannot use this water in our daily needs. Only 3% of water on the earth is fresh water, which is good for use. The water only 3% is available as fresh water, which is good for human use. Most of this fresh water, however, occur in the form of snow and glaciers and ice caps, or the water vapor in the atmosphere. And some amount of the fresh water is present in as the groundwater. This may be used for some purposes, but it is often not readily available. It is only 0.3%, only 0.3% of the fresh water present in the lakes, rivers, streams that is available to us. As you can see through this diagram, 97% of water present on the earth, that is in the form of sea and oceans, and from that only 3% is the fresh water that is available in ice caps, glaciers and water vapor in the atmosphere. And the groundwater that we can use, it is also we can use, but only 0.3% of the surface water we can use, that is present in the form of lakes, rivers and streams. So from this 97.5%, only 0.03% of water we can use in the form of fresh water. And the water which is present in the ground, most of the water of rainwater, water from the river, pond seeps through the soil and goes underground. This water is trapped in between the underground rocks, and the upper layer of this water is called water table. The upper layer of the groundwater is called water table, and the water below this layer is called groundwater. And groundwater is drawn from the wells, tube wells and hand pumps, and is used for irrigation as well as for our daily needs.